Is our universe truly as unique and singular as we believe? What if there were multiple universes, existing parallel to our own, each with its own distinct reality? This is the possibility that scientists have pondered for years. The multiverse theory is one of the most exciting and perplexing concepts in modern science. The idea of the multiverse dates back to ancient times. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that this theory became a serious subject of modern science. The multiverse theory is closely tied to quantum mechanics, suggesting that multiple universes could exist, each harboring its own set of realities. In quantum physics, it's suggested that a particle can exist in multiple places at once, and that various possibilities occur simultaneously. According to this theory, whenever one possibility becomes real in our universe, the other possibilities play out in other universes within the multiverses. To understand this concept, imagine a crossroads with two paths. If you turn right, you experience one version of reality. If you turn left, you open the doors to a completely different universe. The multiverse theory suggests that both of these decisions exist, but in different universes within the multiverse. Do multiple universes really exist? We don't have a definitive answer yet. However, the mysteries hidden beyond our reality are vast and largely unknown. The scientific community continues to investigate this profound question. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into the scientific foundations of the multiverse and examine the scientists who support this theory. The multiverse theory is supported by various scientific theories. But what are these theories, and what evidence do scientists present for the existence of the multiverse? One of the main foundations of the multiverse theory is quantum mechanics. The many worlds interpretation, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett in 1957, suggests that every quantum possibility creates a different universe. According to this theory, all possibilities exist simultaneously, but we only experience one. In cosmology, there are also various theories related to the multiverse. One prominent idea is the inflation theory, introduced by Alan Guth. This theory suggests that after the Big Bang, the universe expanded at an incredible speed, potentially causing different regions to separate and form their own universes. In this scenario, our universe may be just one part of a much larger multiverse. Another exciting theory is string theory. It proposes that the fundamental particles in the universe are not points, but rather vibrating strings. According to this theory, multiple dimensions and universes could exist, some of which may not interact with our own but are mathematically possible. Many scientists have contributed to the development of these theories. Hugh Everett was one of the first to propose the connection between quantum physics and the multiverse. Alan Guth deepened the discussion with his cosmological inflation theory. Stephen Hawking also made significant contributions, suggesting that our universe might be just one small part of a much larger structure. The multiverse theory is still a topic of debate in the scientific community. However, the clues and possibilities it presents continue to excite scientists and researchers alike. The discovery of the multiverse could be one of the greatest achievements in human history. In the next episode, we'll explore the evidence and potential discoveries regarding the existence of the multiverse. Could multiple universes truly exist? Scientists are working to answer this question, but proving such a theory is incredibly challenging. What evidence is being proposed for the existence of the multiverse? One of the key pieces of evidence comes from the cosmic microwave background radiation, a weak form of radiation left over from the Big Bang. Anomalies in this radiation have been detected, and some scientists suggest that these irregularities could be the result of interactions with other universes. If such interactions exist, we might find traces of the multiverse hidden within this cosmic radiation. Another intriguing clue comes from research on dark matter. Dark matter makes up a large portion of our universe, but does not interact with the physical world as we know it. Some scientists speculate that dark matter could be an interaction from other universes in the multiverse. If true, the multiverse might be closer than we think. Quantum entanglement is another mysterious phenomenon in quantum physics. It refers to the instantaneous interaction of two particles, regardless of the distance between them. Some theorists suggest that this interaction could be a bridge between different universes within the multiverse. Could quantum entanglement be the key to communicating with other universes? Proving the existence of the multiverse is undoubtedly one of the greatest challenges in science. The current technologies and knowledge we possess are not yet sufficient to provide conclusive evidence. However, ongoing research in this field continues to push the boundaries of what we know. So far, no definitive evidence of the multiverse has been found. However, the clues and possibilities keep the scientific community excited. The discovery of the multiverse might be one of the most groundbreaking revelations of our time. In the next episode, we'll look at how the multiverse is represented in science fiction and popular culture, and what this theory means for the human imagination. The multiverse doesn't just fascinate scientists but also captures the imagination of writers, filmmakers, and artists. The theory has become one of the most beloved themes in science fiction. How has the multiverse been portrayed in popular culture? Science fiction writers love to explore the endless possibilities that the multiverse offers. Philip K. Dick's novel, The Man in the High Castle, imagines an alternate reality where Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan won World War II. This novel showcases how the multiverse can be used to explore different versions of history and reality. Another famous work is Michael Crichton's Timeline, which combines the concept of the multiverse with time travel, demonstrating how the idea of multiple universes opens up vast creative possibilities in science fiction. The multiverse has also made a big impact on cinema. Christopher Nolan's Interstellar delves into the idea of multiple dimensions and parallel worlds. Films like Doctor Strange and Avengers Endgame explore the concept of the multiverse, bringing the theory to life for audiences on the big screen. On television, shows like Fringe and Rick and Morty have made the multiverse a central theme, demonstrating both the fun and thought-provoking aspects of the story. These productions show how the idea of the multiverse has opened up a world of endless possibilities for storytelling. The theory of the multiverse has found a deep place in the human imagination. The thought that different versions of ourselves could exist in other universes raises countless questions and possibilities. Who knows? Maybe one day some of the multiverse stories we see in popular culture might turn out to be scientifically accurate. The multiverse has become a favorite theme in science fiction and popular culture. People have never stopped imagining alternate realities and different lives. This shows how deep and wide the concept of the multiverse has influenced our creative world. In the next episode, we'll explore what the discovery of the multiverse would mean for humanity and the possibilities they offer for the future. If multiple universes truly exist, what would that mean for humanity? Such a discovery would force us to completely rethink our existence, consciousness, and the nature of life itself. What might we learn about the multiverse in the future? The discovery of the multiverse could mark a turning point in our understanding of the universe and reality. If scientists ever prove the existence of multiple universes, we would come to realize that we are part of not just one universe, but countless universes. This would fundamentally change everything we know about the cosmos. In the future, technological advancements could allow us to interact with other universes in the multiverse. If a way to travel between different universes is ever discovered, it would revolutionize not just the world of science, but everyday life. One day, we might be able to visit alternate worlds in other universes. The existence of the multiverse presents endless possibilities for humanity. We could discover new energy sources, advanced technologies, or even cures for diseases that have been plaguing us for centuries. Perhaps the answers to immortality and other profound mysteries are hidden in these alternate universes. However, such discoveries would also raise ethical and philosophical questions. What is reality? How would the existence of the multiverse change the meaning of life? We don't know yet whether the multiverse exists, but if it does, it could reshape the future of humanity and transform our understanding of the universe. Perhaps one day we will journey from universe to universe, exploring the mysteries of parallel worlds. This concludes our documentary. The theory of the multiverse opens the door to infinite possibilities within the cosmos. Who knows? Maybe right now, you are living a completely different life in another universe. Thank you for watching. If you found this documentary thought-provoking and want to explore more fascinating topics like this, don't forget to subscribe to Silent Mindwaves. Stay tuned for more content that will expand your mind and take you on a journey through science, the universe, and beyond.